Hi friends, welcome to our channel TopTip. In this video, I will show you how to quickly search Word or text file or any other file content. Please see the full video. Let's start the video. I will show you settings step by step. I open the document folder and then I click open Word document. In this document, you will see the rocket word. Now I type this word in a search box. Okay. In the search result, you can see the blank folder. Now close it. Open the control panel. And click on File Explorer. And now click on Search option. Then remove Don't Use the Index checkbox and add Always Search File Name checkbox, and then click on Apply and OK. Next setting, click on Index option, then click on Advanced, and then click on File Type. In that, click on Index Properties and File checkbox, and then click on OK. And then next prompt show you the rebuild index, then click on OK. Then click on a modify button. In this, click on add folder, click on OK and close it. Okay, and now see the magic. I will type same word, rocket. Oh, it's something wrong. Right now I'm troubleshooting the problem. Okay, let's start the control panel. Then I will search File Explorer option, search, then click on OK. I will not find index option, then modify, then text type and OK. Oh, maybe I forgot to click on C drive. Okay. And now close it. And now really see the magic. Okay. Yeah, you can see the rocket. I will write on a search box and you can see the result. Basically, I was search content in the Word file, and now you can see the result. Okay, and another word is in Indian. Okay, and you can see the same result. So you can search file not only the title name but also from its content. Okay, so friends, you have any query about this video, write on a comment box, and please like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.